it's me. Olivia's Crazy Show. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a squishy vending machine. So you'll need tube, box. I got this. Woo! Box. I got this box. And scissors. That's everything. First thing is, wait a second. I need to ask my mom if I'm allowed to use this. Right, so first thing we're gonna do is cut a big hole right here. Kind of back. Ta-da! Next we're gonna do a little slot right here. La-la! Then, just forgot one thing. You also need a bag, like a plastic bag or something to see through. Woo! Or wait. Take your plastic bag and place it right in the middle here. Ta-da! Then you're going to make a little slot here for your toilet paper roll to go in. Before, put a hole in there. Change of plans. Instead of a tube, I had a plastic cup. And I cut a hole through it. And then we're going to put paper inside to hold the squishies. Difficult problem. The disgusting finished product. So let's show you how it works. Just going to put some squishies inside. Going to put these in. Right, here they are. What we're going to do is just twist the panel. Something is supposed to come out. So let something fall through. Shake up the box. Okay, and I shaked up the box. I'm going to twist the panel. And in there. Stick some out. I got two. P. Look how many I got. Goodness. Where? I got all of them. I got two. I got this squishy ruler. And a mini panda bun. Let's try another go. So it's finally working! Ta-da! So I got this mini panda bun. I'm gonna fill it up now. I'm gonna show you which ones I'm gonna put in there. Mini panda bun, right in there. Orange Tokyo. That's an orange Tokyo. Icing. Blush bun. Ta-da! I want it to block color. And another icing. Ah! That still burnt me. Twister man. Twister. Twister me, hello. Ruler. Tokyo. And Crazy Me. Let's see which ones we get. So I'm going to, this one doesn't have a money slot. You could just get one whenever you want. So, pour in the handle, shake the handle, turn it again, turn it towards me, see which one I got. Nothing. Come on. Come on, nothing wants to get out. Oh wait, I'm getting a prize. keep on turning the handle. Or shake up the box. Shakey shake. Okay, I got something. Ooh, I got. Whoa, look how many stuff I got. So, I didn't get everything, I got some of everything. Right, so I got squishy icing, crazy dude, I got the crazy dude. Who else did I get? And I got twist over. This one's quite defective. And I got, last but not least, mini panda bun. So I got 4. Let's see what other one I can get. So as you see, there's nothing in there. Now as I shake it up, I can twist the handle. Come on. Come on. Shake it up. Now I can. Yay! I got 1 today, and I got this little icing. So these are not all my squishies. I like the mini panda bun. You know what? You think it is not homemade. I found it in the shop. That one is not homemade, my mini panda bun. This one, I have to cut it. So my twist over dude got cooked. So twist over good. There. Should try again. Put it in there. Oh, I can think of that. Then I'm gonna say goodbye to you. Oh, oh, and if you want to hear that song, oops. Oh, I got one. The Comatillo cake slice. Da, 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 da. This one's homemade by me. And if you want to hear this song. And all I can think about you in this hospital room on the lies on thou. That's on Daily Bumps when they were having their second child. It was so cute. And yeah, I watched Daily Bumps because I just love watching them. I even subscribed them. Bye. And all I can think about